In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack with Notion step by step so you can streamline your workflow, get instant notifications, and connect your team communication directly with your Notion workspace. This is perfect if you're using Notion for project management, documentation, or task tracking, and Slack for daily communication. By the end of this video, you'll have Slack fully connected to Notion in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Make sure you're logged in to the Notion account where you want to add the Slack integration. This is important because integrations are connected at the workspace level, so you need access to the correct workspace. Once Notion loads, you'll see your main dashboard with your pages and sidebar on the left. Next, look toward the top corner of your Notion window and click on the small arrow next to your workspace name. This arrow opens the main workspace menu, where you can manage settings, members, and integrations. Go ahead and click that arrow now. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Notion workspace. Here, you can control everything from permissions and billing to integrations and connected apps. Once you're inside the settings panel, look at the left-hand menu and click on Connections. This section shows all the third-party tools that can be connected to Notion, including Slack, Google Drive, and other popular apps. This is where we'll complete the integration. In the Connections section, find Slack in the list and click on it. Notion will now prompt you to connect your Slack workspace. If you're not already signed into Slack in your browser, you'll be asked to log in. Make sure you log in with the Slack workspace you want to connect to Notion. After logging in, Slack will ask you to authorize the connection. This step allows Notion to send notifications and updates to Slack channels. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow to complete the integration. Once approved, Slack will now be officially connected to your Notion workspace. At this point, the integration is active. You can now use Slack notifications inside Notion pages, send updates to Slack channels when pages are mentioned, and keep your team in sync without constantly switching between apps. For example, when you comment on a Notion page or mention a teammate, that activity can be sent directly to Slack, helping everyone stay updated in real time. If you ever want to manage or remove the integration, you can come back to Settings, go to Connections, and adjust or disconnect Slack at any time. This gives you full control over how Notion and Slack work together. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Notion. This simple setup can save you a ton of time and make collaboration much smoother, especially for teams working remotely or across multiple projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.